Gold continued to crash towards 2610 levels yesterday, while silver has also moved towards the lows at 3040, 3050 zone. Very good support zone here. Can we say that the lows for the week and for the day are done? And can we expect a recovery, or there is further more downside available? Can we expect a more crash today? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We will do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade. Trade with logic, trade with confidence. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. On the hourly charts, gold is trading in this bearish channel. After every drop, it consolidates and retraces. Look at the formation: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Now, possibility of a retracement exists. You can see this. This is the channel in which it is trading. The lows are still far below 2600 levels, while the highs are now stationed at around 2670, 2660. Only above which we can say that it is breaking out of the channel and it will turn bullish here. Right now, what is happening on the hourly chart? See, after the drop, a moderate retracement, 20 period moving average sitting at around 2635 is going to be a very good resistance zone. And if you look at the formation, it is shying away from breaking on the upside. So now if you see gold trading 26 levels, you can expect a further recovery towards 26 32 and 36 zone, the next targets. And if it stays above this, we can expect a further retracement on the upside towards 2644 and 52. Let's have a further look. See, stochastic has dropped here. MACD, after hitting the lows here, forming a double bottom, has crossed over. This suggests that there has to be a little upside, but right now I can see the momentum is not very much supportive here. But yes, looking at the move here, forming a double bottom, there has to be a little retracement, and that is what is confirmed with the charts as well. That yes, after this drop, it can show you a little recovery towards this zone. Possibility exists. RSI just staying oversold here. Coming to two on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see a very good support is now formed at 2618 levels and a resistance at around 2626. While if you see on the downside, what has happened here after the drop little retracement, it is just consolidating here in this sideways zone. And now once you see it trading below 2618-16 zone, we can expect another round of drop, which can in fact probably take it further lows towards 2608 and 2600 levels. Yes, it can continue to trade bearish from here. Possibilities there. Look at the formation drop retracement, but what I am looking here is the drop retracement pattern, and a move towards 20 period moving average is possible, which is right now sitting at around 2650, and in fact higher levels are also possible here. The stochastic is starting to rise here, while the MACD has hit the lows, waiting for it to converge, crossover, and reverse. Right now, it is trading bearish. There is further lows available here. The RSI is staying oversold. On the 3, look at the 3 hour charts. Greater resistance available on the upside. With that as resistance, it is trying to look downwards. I'll wait for it to break below 2618-16 zone, which will confirm its further down move. Possibly it can form a double bottom at around 2610 levels, and thus 2610, 2608 should be a very good support. If you find it getting support at 2610.08, one can say that it is trying to form a double bottom, and the recovery chances will become or will increase from there. And if you look at the pattern here as well, similar is the formation: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. And thus right now I can say that it is trying to trade in this channel. The high should be at around 26 50, 2660, 570 zones should be there if it tries to reverse from the current levels. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is trading bearish here. It is almost at the bottom. Wait for it to cross over. Right now it is trading bearish. Right now it is looking downwards, not showing any signs of recovery. RSI is staying oversold. Coming to 4, look at the 4 hour charts. Couple of retracement candle, a swing here with higher highs and lower lows. Let it stay below 2616 levels. Possibility of further drop will increase from there towards 26. See, even if it drops, see, none of the candles close below 2614. So again, we have to watch out. As long as now 2610.08 levels is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish for the day. Again highlighting, as long as 2610, 2608 is not taken, it can reverse any point of time. Thus till 2608, you have to put a 20 pips trailing stop loss. Very clear. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish. The RSI is staying oversold here. Coming to And before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily chart. See, first of all, you can see this there was a rise from 2550 to 2680 levels, and then we have seen a retracement towards 2600. Now 2600 has become the base. With that we have seen it rising, and now it has erased all the gains from here. Now it is very very important for gold to break below this zone at 2605 levels here. So this zone is very very critical for the day, and any drop below this should invite more bears, taking it till towards 2590, 2580 levels, the first support zone, and the next is at 2550 levels. Now another point to note here on the daily charts is, look at the formation. Look at this formation here. You will find that this candle and this candle are almost alike, and in worst case we have to wait for it to break this channel. See, yesterday what has happened. See, the lows here are beautifully aligned for these three candles. Now, if you align these, you will find that the lows here for the day should be around this zone, and that is also is at par with these levels here. So the zone here, I will say, in between 2600 2610 is going to be very very critical for gold to break past by. Any dropout below this zone is a clear sign of a breakout, clear sign of further crash. Else right now I will still expect a little recovery here. And see, one, it is outside Bollinger Bands and stretching Bollinger Bands, just staying completely outside. I think it has to be difficult, because see, what in the worst case we can expect a lows and then reversal and a swing. So this is what in the worst case we can expect. Else, what is happening right now, higher lows and a possible recovery from the current levels cannot be denied here. Stochastic it's at oversold zone. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness consistently increasing. Candle size suggests increasing bearishness here. It may start to converge a bit before continuing further on the downside. The RSI has dropped. So looking at this, I will recommend a buy now at 26, 25, 26 zone. If you see gold trading above 26, 25, 26, initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 26, 32, 36 first target zone, and then beyond this we are looking forward to 2644, 2652, and in fact 2660 is 2660, 64 is going to be a greater resistance. While on the downside, now see, the expectation is for retracement. However, you have to just follow the trend here, and if you see gold trading below 2614, 16 zone, you can expect further drop. Because see, I will say, but in between 2600 2610 it is going to get maximum support. Be cautious first at around 260810, then 260405, and then 2600. Once it trades below 2600, the chances will be very high that we will look forward to 2590 2580 levels, which are going to remain the next support and the stronger support here for the day. Below 2580 for the week, for the month, we will look forward to 2550 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to. Now see what's happening for silver on the hourly charts. Look at the formation here. After every top consolidation and a retracement, then a good drop, it is retraced, but I can see a greater resistance coming in at 3080 levels. Now 3080, 31, which was the support earlier, is now going to be the prime resistance. Any move beyond 3080 is a good sign for the bulls here. Right now I can see a bit of a struggle here by silver at around 3080 levels, and the 20 period is also sitting at around this zone. Thus, it is very, very important for silver to trade above 3080. Now, also look at the hourly charts. You will find that the lows for silver are now below $30 levels towards 2970. It is trying to trade in this bearish channel. The top should be at around 3140, 3150 zone. And if it breaks 3140, 50 any point of time, consider this as a reversal. Now, what is happening here, after forming a flat top on the hourly charts, it is trying to reverse, but I can say that the bearishness here is getting diminished. So yes, any move beyond 3080 we should initiate a buying entry here. While on the downside, 3040 has become a very very good support. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is retracing after the crossover, and it is in green. It can continue to rise from here. RSI is at bottom. Coming to 2 hours. Now on the 2 hour chart, see, the retracement candles are very very small. A reversal sign has appeared. First red candle has appeared with a flat top and a flat bottom, and now hitting the lower lows, it is trying to recover. Now see, only bearishness I will suggest in silver is below 30-40 levels, where we can expect it to move towards 30-20 and then $30 levels. 30 is going to be one critical milestone it needs to break. Below 30 is where the real bearishness to be seen towards 29.72 and 29.50 levels. Right now, see, the divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge, and thus 30.80-31 is going to remain the prime resistance, and it is also an achievable level here. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is trading bearish looking downwards, the RSI is almost at bottom. On the 3 hour, the candle is taking a shape, but I will say, see, the swings here, look at the swings, lower lows, higher highs, and thus once it stays above 3070, you can expect it to move towards 3085 and 31. Beyond 31, the next targets are towards 3125. If it breaks this, 3150 is there. Any movement beyond 3150 is a sign of reversal. Else, as long as it stays below 3150, it is just trading under retracement. It is just retracing. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD bearish and RSI is at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, look at the resistance from the 20 period moving average. Greater resistance here from the 20 period moving average. And with this as resistance, we have seen it dropping here. But yes, it also tries to achieve this again before reversing. Because see, after every major fall, it tries to move towards 20 period. Same as happened here. And now also it can do so. Or one thing is, it can wait slowly for the moving average to come down and then achieve this before reversing again. This possibility we should not ignore. The stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI is at bottom, and on the day. Now see, on the daily charts, one thing is important to note here is the moving averages now have started to converge, though not yet crossed over. What is also happening here is the drop, the retracement, the drop. It could retrace, it could stay in the zone. And the second thing to note here is, look at these two candles, increasing body size, step is created, though lower lows are there. But I will wait for it to now trade below 3040 and 3020. If this zone will become critical, any drop below 3020 is going to be a good sign for further bearishness towards 30, and any drop below 30 is a clear sign that now silver is going to crash today again, crash sharp. So right now, yes, it is trading a bit oversold. The stochastic is also oversold. The MACD has also dropped sharp, and the RSI is already at bottom. So looking at the buying entry in silver today is at 3080, expect 31, 3125, and then 31, 40, 50 levels. Any move beyond 3150 is a sign of reversal. I do not see that happening, but yes, a little retracement cannot be denied. 31, 31, 20, 25 is going to be a greater resistance zone. If it starts to reverse, any move beyond 3150 is a sign of reversal here, where we can expect it to move towards $32 levels. While on the downside, sell at 3040, expect it to move towards 3020 and 30. Below 30 is where the bears are waiting. 2972, 2948 are going to be the next targets. Below this, an extreme crash cannot be denied, taking it till towards 29 18 and $29 levels, if not today, some point of time in this week soon. Take your positions accordingly. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. This is the only channel to give you two updates. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Do join the mentorship batch in the Signals channel as well. Thank you.